Welcome in to another stitch tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to do the herringbone and the half herringbone. Now if you take a look, you've got kind of a chevron thing going on, but I'm going to show you how to do this nice and easy stitch, and it's actually one of my favorites. Let's remove the hanky marker. By the way, the hanky markers, they're on sale right now for only a few more days. Okay, let's go straight in. It works on any multiple, really doesn't matter. When you get to the end of a row, chain 2. Apart from that, all you need to know, I'm going to show you now. So yarn over and go into your next stitch. Yarn over, pull through, but don't stop there. Bring that loop right through the very first loop so that you've then got 2 on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through 1 loop. Yarn over again and pull through 2. That is your first herringbone. So again, you yarn over, go into your next stitch, yarn over, pull through that first loop. So you then got 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through that first loop, yarn over, pull through both loops on your hook. And there you have your first 2. And that is all you need to do for herringbone. Just make sure when you bring that loop through, you also bring it through your first loop on your hook. Yarn over, bring through 1 loop, yarn over, bring through 2 loops. So in, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. And you can see they're off on an angle. And if you've got them on an angle, you're doing it right. So in, over, through, over, through, all. Nice and easy. In you go, yarn over, pull through that first loop. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. Okay, so I'll just do a couple more, and what you'll notice is when I bring that through, I'm pulling ever so slightly that down to bring it through easier. When you get going and you get used to it, you don't have to pull on it anymore. You can go straight in and just do your stitch. So there we have the herringbone. Now to do the half herringbone, it's almost exactly the same. You yarn over, you go into your stitch, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through both. So here you can see the difference. The half is only about 2/3 the height of the full herringbone. So yarn over, this is for the half, in, yarn over, bring through, yarn over, bring through 2. This is for the half herringbone. Yarn over and in, yarn over, pull through first loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. So I'll do that one more time, nice and slowly for you. I don't know why I just did a full herringbone there. Hang on. See, I got carried away with the full herringbone. Let's do the half. Okay, so yarn over, in, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through 2. So a full herringbone, yarn over, in, yarn over, bring through the first loop, yarn over, bring through the first loop, yarn over, bring through both loops. It can be a little bit tricky to start, but it is picked up pretty yarn quick. So there you can see the height difference between the halves and the standard. So a half again, in, yarn over, pull through first loop, yarn over, pull through both. This is for the half herringbone, and for the full, yarn over and in, yarn over, pull through both the work and the first loop, yarn over, pull through one loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. And that is how you do a herringbone. I absolutely love this. Like I said, it's one of my favourite stitches. And there we have it, the herringbone. Of course, it's the same both sides, so when you turn, as long as you remember to chain 2 at the end of your row and go into the next stitch to do your herringbones, there you have your chevrons. Okay, hopefully I see you next week, and hopefully this helped you out a little bit. Maybe. If it did, please give a thumbs up, and if you aren't already, maybe subscribe for more tutorials, woolly reviews, and of course giveaways galore. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care. Bye bye.